Hi kids! Today we will learn about the letters of the alphabet. A. A is for apple, ant, airplane. B. B is for ball, butterfly, boat. C. C is for cat, car, cake. D. D is for dog, duck, door. E. E is for elephant, egg, ear. F. F is for fish, frog, flower. G. G is for giraffe, goat, grapes. H. H is for hat, horse, house. I. I is for ice cream, igloo, iron. J. J is for jug, jelly, jeep. K. K is for kite, king, key. L. L is for lion, lamp, lizard. M. M is for monkey, moon, mountain. N. N is for nose, nest, notebook. O. O is for owl, orange, octopus. P. P is for parrot, penguin, pencil. Q. Q is for queen, quail, quilt. R. R is for rabbit, rainbow, rocket. S. S is for sun, star, strawberry. T. T is for tiger, train, tree. U. U is for umbrella, uniform, unicorn. V. V is for van, violin, vase. W. W is for watch, window, water. X. X is for Xmas tree, xylophone, X-ray. Y. Y is for yak, yellow, yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra, zoo, zero.